Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell 130 countries and capitals names.
Afghanistan,
Kabul,
Albania,
Tirana,
Algeria,
Algiers,
Andorra,
La Vella,
Angola,
Luanda,
Antigua and Barbuda,
St. John's,
Argentina,
Buenos Aires,
Armenia,
Yerevan,
Australia,
Canberra,
Austria,
Vienna,
Azerbaijan,
Baku,
the Bahamas,
Nassau,
Bahrain,
Manama,
Bangladesh,
Dhaka,
Barbados,
Bridgetown,
Belarus,
Minsk,
Belgium,
Brussels,
Belize,
Belmopan,
Benin,
Porto Novo,
Bhutan,
Thimphu,
Bolivia,
La Paz,
Botswana,
Gaborone,
Brazil,
Brasilia,
Bulgaria,
Sofia,
Burundi,
Bujumbura,
Canada,
Ottawa,
Cape Verde,
Praia,
Central African Republic,
Bangui,
Chad,
N'Djamena,
Chile,
Santiago,
China,
Beijing,
Colombia,
Bogota,
Costa Rica,
San Jose,
Cuba,
Havana,
Cyprus,
Nicosia,
Denmark,
Copenhagen,
Djibouti, East Timor,
Delhi,
Ecuador,
Quito,
Egypt,
Cairo,
Norway,
Oslo,
Nigeria,
Abuja,
New Zealand,
Wellington,
Netherlands,
Amsterdam,
Nepal,
Kathmandu,
Nauru,
Yaren,
Mozambique,
Maputo,
Morocco,
Rabat,
Moldova,
Chisna,
Mexico,
Mexico City,
Malta,
Valletta,
Mali,
Bamako,
Maldives,
Male,
Malaysia,
Kuala Lumpur,
Madagascar,
Antananarivo, Luxembourg,
Libya,
Tripoli,
Lesotho,
Maseru,
Lebanon,
Beirut,
Latvia,
Ridja,
Laos,
Vientiane,
Kuwait
City,
North Korea,
Pyongyang,
South Korea,
Seoul,
Kenya,
Nairobi,
Kazakhstan,
Astana,
Jordan,
Amman,
Japan,
Tokyo,
Jamaica,
Kingston,
Italy,
Rome,
Israel,
Jerusalem,
Ireland,
Dublin,
Iraq,
Baghdad,
Iran,
Tehran,
Indonesia,
Jakarta,
India,
New Delhi,
Hungary,
Budapest,
Haiti,
Port-au-Prince,
Guatemala
City,
Grenada,
St. George's,
Greece,
Athens,
Ghana,
Accra,
Germany,
Berlin,
the Gambia,
Banjul,
France,
Paris,
Fiji,
Suva,
Finland,
Helsinki,
Estonia,
Tallinn,
Equatorial Guinea,
Malabo,
El Salvador,
San Salvador,
Oman,
Muscat,
Pakistan,
Islamabad, Panama City,
Peru,
Lima,
Philippines,
Manila,
Poland, Portugal,
Lisbon,
Qatar,
Doha,
Romania,
Bucharest,
Russia,
Moscow,
Rwanda,
Kigali,
Saint Vincent and the Grenadines,
Kingstown,
Samoa,
Apia,
Saudi Arabia,
Riyadh,
Senegal,
Dakar,
Serbia,
Belgrade, Singapore,
South Africa,
Pretoria,
South Sudan,
Juba,
Spain,
Madrid,
Sri Lanka,
Colombo,
Sudan,
Khartoum,
Sweden,
Stockholm,
Switzerland,
Bern,
Syria,
Damascus,
Tanzania,
Dodoma,
Thailand,
Bangkok,
Togo,
Lome,
Tunisia,
Tunis,
Turkey,
Ankara,
Uganda,
Kampala,
Ukraine,
Kiev,
United Arab Emirates,
Abu Dhabi,
United Kingdom,
London,
United States of America,
Washington DC,
Vatican City, Yemen,
Sanaa,
Zambia,
Lusaka,
Zimbabwe,
Harare,
Kosovo,
Pristina,
Taiwan.
Taipei. Thank you.